Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening YouTube and signing in with your Google account. This is the core link step because YouTube uses Google identity. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is enabled for stronger protection, since it prevents unauthorized access. If you manage multiple accounts, pick the one you want to link now, because switching later can split channels. Now navigate to your profile icon at the top right and prepare to access account settings to continue. You now drill into account settings to finalize the connection. From your profile icon, go to Settings, then Account, and choose Add or Switch Accounts. This is where YouTube links channel data to your Google profile. Once you select your Google account, grant the requested permissions, because YouTube needs access to your profile and channel management. If you created a brand account, make sure to choose it here so channel ownership maps correctly. After granting access, YouTube will confirm the link. You finish by verifying that your channel appears under the linked Google account and by signing out and back in to confirm persistence. If the link fails, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or revoke and reauthorize permissions in Google account, because stale tokens often cause problems. For channel ownership or brand account complications, go to Account Settings and transfer or assign managers as needed. Finally, keep two-step verification active to secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.